You guys tired?
Yeah.
Where are we at?
The pumpkin patch. And me have never been to this one before.
It's a new one, huh? Are we excited?
Yeah.
We're coming after school, so we're hoping it's not too crowded versus going on a weekend.
Yeah.
All right.
And we just woke up.
You did. Your brother didn't nap. Here, you napped a little bit on the way here.
Yeah, so we can have
30 minutes.
So we can have energy.
You want energy?
Yeah, to play.
All right, let's do this.
Bye.
Got some decorated pumpkins.
Look at this pumpkin.
Those are gourds. The kids like the Day of the Dead ones. What'd you find? Oh, a minion skeleton. That's silly. Waiting in line to get our wristbands. It smells really good in here. Oh, up. Got fried apple pies, nut bread. Alice thought this was hilarious. She was looking behind her when she was flying.
And then she went into jail.
Oh my goodness. I think Daddy's having more fun than the kids. Showing off over there. He's just making it a challenge for you. They look fluffy.
Block back
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Do not ever put those things on.
No, don't put your fingers in. Oh, what are you doing? That's pretty.
Oh, see the one with the big tail?
Yeah.
Look at the one back there.
Go ahead, feed them.
Dove?
I don't know. So they hear it. They're coming. Oh yeah. Here they come. They're like, not so much, huh? Don't want to step over the box? All right then. Put your legs up. Woo!
Legs up.
Legs up. Woo! There you go. Now, look at Daddy. Where's Daddy? What horse?
That one, the yellow one.
Yay! You're such a dork.
He's the funniest dad ever.
He's the funniest dad. Yeah, he's pretty funny, huh?
No. Slide!
Yeah, we haven't even made it all the way back there.
I'm going faster.
Slide!
And they're gone. There's Alice. That's not very fast. That's not very fast at all. You wanna go down? They're all the same, honey. You guys don't slide very well. Oh, this one looks a little bit smoother. Maybe? Kind of. You're fine. By the time you get there, he's gonna be right. Go. Whee! That one's a little bit faster. There's a Jackman. We didn't catch the hayride this time around, but hopefully we'll be able to catch it before we leave. The kids are all up here somewhere. Will's playing basketball. Alice is somewhere. This man is chasing me. Help. Help me. Oh, you hit the camera and knocked your glasses off. Yes, you did. They need more corn in here. You can see the bottom. Is that cool?
Corn. Yeah.
Yep, corn.
Wait, can actually sit down.
Yeah, I wonder if when it gets real hot, does it turn into popcorn?
Yeah. That's why.
Are you gonna get in here too, love? You're ridiculous.
I paid the same amount as they paid. I'm getting my fun.
It's a fuzzy wuzzy caterpillar.
Oh, can I get it?
Yeah, I haven't seen one of those in a long, long time. We found more. And then there's another one over there on that tire. Daddy wants to have fun by putting caterpillars on my sweater.
You got a friend in him.
These things are everywhere. Okay, get them off me, please.
It's fine. He's not gonna hurt you. I promise.
I just don't want them on me. Leave it to Alice to find someplace to do art at a pumpkin patch.
Yay, it's more fun to go on.
Go, Jack, go.
She's never gonna walk down Park Lane again.
Fortnite teaches him everything he knows.
Many sailors, and also lots of whalers.
Yeah.
Now she's days
Show me your Jackson, dance for me. Give me another dance.
was chained and sent away from Liverpool.
All right, next.
She sailed down the bay.
Nice. Look at your shadow.
Sent the
So they're on the Pumpkin Warrior obstacle course. Roadblock. Oh my gosh, you're quicker than I thought you were gonna be. Go, Jack, go, go. Woo! Do what Jackson's doing, Allie. Allie.
Yeah, this is so like Roblox.
It's so like Roblox, but like real life Roblox. Get it. Run, run. Woo. Oh, can you go down that?
Whoa.
Yep, with the rope. You can hold on to the rope and go down.
Cause that's
There you go. Very good. Hold on, let her try. So use that to walk across, and then you grab the next yellow rope. There you go. Keep going. You're doing a good job. Honey, you're like 6 inches from the ground. You've got it. Whoa. Now swing to the next one. Ooh, not so much, huh? Ooh. That's not how you're supposed to go down that, punk. Oh man, are you okay?
yeah.
Gosh. Ah. What you doing, sis? Trying to figure out how to work it? Move your hands opposite directions. Yep, just like that. Push, push, push with the other hand. Push.
I'm trying.
Oh. Watch Jackson. He pulls his like scissors. Ooh, like that, kind of.
I use the right one to dump it
That
out.
takes some coordination, doesn't it? It's like, just go. Bye. Oh no, you better be careful with Daddy. Too bad you guys don't know when to stop. What's up? What? That's not how we do it. Look up. What are you guys doing down there? Oh, Daddy was a little overzealous. She just, everything on her is slippery. She's gonna fall out. Ah! She does, she just slides. You getting dizzy?
We're going downhill.
Oh.
That was what messed me up. We started picking up speed.
Here comes a Jackson. Run, faster, faster, faster. And thud. What are you doing? It must feel like you're just sliding across the ground.
Yeah, you really are.
Here we go! And I hear the squeals.
I was gonna say, this isn't even the ride.
Ready?
Downhill's the ride.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
You're gonna wanna turn around.
Turn around, put your head up here.
That's a
Hurry up.
head up here.
Because that's the safe thing to do. All right,
Otherwise you end up upside down.
hold on tight.
3.
Watch my baby. On the train.
1.
Oh no! This is Bunnyville. They have a bunny church and a bunny school. And
Bunny.
oh, they're cute. There's more over here. So cute. It's like their own little town. What'd you say?
Never jump off of the train.
Yeah, don't jump off the tractor, huh?
Even if it stops, don't jump off it.
Going on a hay ride, huh?
Is it because we are sitting on hay?
Oh, that is so funny. You're goofy. Goats up there lounging. Jackson,
Yeah.
probably not a good idea to run off.
Jackson, come here.
I like cupcakes.
Does the wagon come back for us?
Whoa, what do you want to take? Forward or left? That
Here,
one.
girl.
Daddy's a scarecrow. Well, I guess we just set up camp here. And we are home. Sadly, the apple cider, well, the apple cider looked like apple cider, but the donuts did not look very fresh. So we skipped out on cider and donuts, which is a bummer. Next year we will probably go back to the orchard that we went to the last year. I think we've only been once, but we really liked it. There's 3 main ones around us, and we were not as pleased with this one as we should have been for what we paid. So Alice wants to say something.
I really like apple cider because when I went on my field trip, I loved it.
You did, yeah. Did you have fun today? Yeah. Saw a lot of caterpillars, didn't we? Like so many. All right, want to close it out?
159, I think.
Want to close it?
liked it.
Jackson liked it.
Me too.
Yeah. Oops, there you are. All right, close it out, sis.
Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe. Click that like button right down there. Bye. See you later.
And your end game entertainment comes from Jackson with his dances. Go, boy, go. Very nice. And where do you learn these?
I guess Fortnite.
You're silly. Tell him bye.
Go.